Now for the final video of reflections before you start the exercises. An L shape has corners at the points with these coordinates. 1, 4, which is 1, 4 here. 1, 7, 1 across 7 up is here. 2, 7, 2 across 7 up is here. 2, 5 is here. 3, 5 is here. And 3, 4 is here. Overall, you've got this L shape. I'm going to shade it. And it's asking us to reflect this shape in the line y equals x. And the line y equals x is diagonal. What it means is all the y values are exactly the same as the x values. So if the x is 4, the y would also be 4. If the x was 7, the y would also be 7. And if you generated that for all the x values, you'd get this particular line. And that's why y equals x is a diagonal line. And to reflect this, it's slightly different to what we've done before. Now instead of counting squares up and down and left and right, we count them diagonally. So from the original, we count half a diagonal square to the dotted line and then repeat half a diagonal square to here. For this one is one diagonal square and then we repeat the other side. One diagonal square is now here. For this one is 1.5 diagonal squares repeated as half, and 1 is now here. And then we may be able to just draw the rest of it by intuition. I know that if it's an L like this, then if I reflect it, if I drew it on a piece of paper and folded it, it would generate a shape like this. I could check it though. For this coordinate, it's 1, 2, 3 diagonal squares repeated. 1, 2, 3 is here. So that works. The second part is now the y equals minus x. So if the x value is minus 4, the y value would be 4. It's negative of negative 4, which is 4. And then you get the same sort of points along the diagonal line here. And you could generate that now by counting the squares from the original to that dotted line. So 1, 2, and a half, repeated, half, 1, and 2 is here. And from this coordinate, 1, 2, 3.5, repeated, half, 1, 2, 3 is here. What about this one? This one here says 1, 2, 3, 4, repeated, 1, 2, 3, 4 is here. So all of this is just counting squares. It really can't be simpler. Okay, have a go at the examples, the exercises.